In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace in LibreOffice Writer. This is a simple but powerful way to clean up repetitive mistakes, update terminology, or make consistent edits across your entire document in seconds. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. Once the program is open, load the document you want to edit. If it's already open, great. Make sure you're in the right window. If you're just getting started, you can open a file from your recent documents or use the File menu to browse to it. Give the document a moment to load fully so the search runs smoothly. Next, head to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Find and Replace. This opens a small dialog that will do most of the heavy lifting. If you like shortcuts, you can also open this dialog quickly with the standard keyboard shortcut. But using the menu is perfectly fine and easy to follow. In the dialog, you'll see two main fields. In the Find box, type the exact word or phrase you want to locate. In the Replace box, enter the text you want to use instead. Take a second to double-check spelling and capitalization here. What you enter is exactly what the tool will search for and insert. Before replacing anything, click Find Next. This steps through each match one at a time and highlights it in your document. It's a great way to preview results and confirm you're targeting the right text, especially if the word appears in multiple contexts. If you reach the end of the document, the search will typically loop back to the beginning so you won't miss anything. When you're confident about a specific match, click Replace. This swaps only the highlighted instance and then moves you to the next one. If you make a change you didn't intend, remember you can undo it right away. If you already trust the results, for example, you've previewed a few matches and everything looks correct, click Replace All. This updates every occurrence in one step. Use this option carefully, especially with common words, because it will change everything it finds throughout the document. For more precise control, consider using options in the dialog such as Match Case to respect capitalization or Whole Words Only to avoid partial matches. These settings help you refine the search so you replace exactly what you intend. When you're done, close the dialog and review your document briefly to ensure everything looks right. Save your changes and you're all set. That's how to find and replace text efficiently in LibreOffice Writer.